So ma'am, at first, do I need to check that bottom part of the support? Is it okay?
Look, everything in here is okay.
Or we need to make a little down since this is it.
It's okay.
The height and
Okay, it's as low as it'll go. Oh, it should be okay now.
Okay. Then.
Alrighty, so we get this middle part out.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Okay. And we'll snap these down in here.
how we can determine it is the height or loose.
I'll show you just in a second, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This is just a little
Is it
twisted.
possible to not this?
Yeah, we'll get those moved. They'll go up on the shoulders.
Yeah, but to like the thing is just like
Okay.
You want them the other way?
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, they'll just turn right up there like that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Sorry. Sometimes that really scares them. Okay,
Is it right?
so we'll move those
Mm-hmm.
to the shoulders, and then we'll pull this to make it
Oh my
tighter.
goodness. This
It'll-
this is too
yes.
tight. No.
It'll get actually tighter than this.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they'll be real
Oh, okay,
snug in
because-
there.
They should be real tight, right? Because of dark and other. Yeah, yes, that was right.
Can fix that real fast. Mhm. There
Hello?
we go.
Yeah, making video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because this
So
should be.
you want to be able to pinch any like fabric up here,
Mhm.
and then you'll be able to slide a finger down here, so you can see that.
Finger?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this side is a little low, but this side is very hard. And how do you say it here?
You just don't want to be able to pinch any
Oh.
fabric up. So then you do that, and then you guys are good to go. We'll just
No,
line this
his
up with
body
the
is kind
armpit.
of bending. Is it?
Yeah, no,
okay?
that's totally okay.
Or we need to make a step. You got my. You got that.
Is it kind of?
Oh.
They normally will slump to one side or the other.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.